In today's video, we are doing a perm rod set tutorial, and I'm going to do a little bit of inspo today using myself back in the day, maybe like 3 years ago when my hair was a little bit shorter and it was all brown. In the middle of this section going towards my face so that when I pick it, it should go up. That is the goal. Let's do this. This is
That gotta be basic.
1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, so you seen in the last clip, I was distracted by the music doing my hair, so I already did a majority of it for this tutorial, so I do apologize. But this is what it looks like. I didn't do any parts. I did mostly free form, so just kind of part with my fingers because I don't want any like strong parts when I unravel the curls. So I did section off this part right here so that these curls can fall this way so that when I do pick them, they should go up. That's the goal. So I'm just going to bring my finger across. All right, so now we have this piece of hair. I'm going to spray it with some water. So the styling product I'm going to be using today is the Miche Beauty Gel to Foam Setting Mousse. So I'm going to split this into two. Take about 2 pumps. Rub it into the hair. And you want to make sure the ends are covered with the mousse. Then I take my styling brush to smooth it out. Then you're going to take the perm rod and I go under the perm rod, roll it up, make sure that your ends are smooth because if they're not, they're going to look messy when you unravel them. So I take it up and then I start to twist with my finger going up. And you want to make sure that you don't leave your, you don't want to leave too much of a fluff here because you're going to unravel and it's going to be poofy. So make sure you place this, I don't know what this is called, but place this over top of that so it can lay it down and smooth it out. And you want it to be pretty tight. So you see how that is loose? I'm going to take it back out and twist it back towards my head. And then make sure to place it. So now it's a little bit tighter. And then I'm going to do it to this side. Take about 2 pumps. Smooth it out with this styling brush. Take the perm rod. Roll it up like 1 or 2 times. And then take it and twist it with your finger guiding you up all the way to the top. And then make sure that your hair is flat on the perm rod because if not, it's going to be poofy roots. All right, so I'm going to go back to my music to do these ones right here. Okay, so I'm finished installing the perm rods. This is what it looks like all over. And so tomorrow we will be taking these out. Okay, so it's the next day. And so now I'm going to take them out. I did take some of them out in the back to see if they were dry earlier. And it looks like they're dry. So all I'm going to do is just unravel them. Okay. Tip right here is that you want to unravel with the curl, meaning when you take it off, you're going to unravel it, not pull it down, because then it's going to cause friction, frizz, all of the nine. So you're going to want to unravel it gently, because that's going to play an important factor in how the curls come out once you start to separate them. So I'm just going to take out the rest and I'll be back. And this is like right here is the moment of truth when we take it out, when we start separating the curls. This is going to determine if I'm going to get that fro or not. Will I get that fro today? Or will we be doing a middle part perm rod set? Take this last one out on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at love_Courtney3 or my hair page at Curlslovecoco and my TikTok at Curlslovecoco if you like hair content. Okay, so now that it's all taken out, I have my 3 picks for at the end, a longer one, a wide tooth, I guess another longer pick. I need some alligator clips or some salon clips. And then I have a rubber band. And then I also have the Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coils. They're Elixir Essentials hair and scalp oil. The one I'm using is the Enrich with Biotin, Rosemary, and Mint. Put the oil on my fingertips, just a little bit, not a lot. This is just to be able to work in the separation. So my tip with separating, depending on what kind of look you're going for, the more you separate on day one, the more volume you'll have, and there might be a little bit of frizz. So the less that you do on for day one, so this day, will help make the actual hairstyle last throughout the week for me. This is my opinion. So I like to do maybe 3 to 4 sections of separating on each of the curls, just depending on how, when you can feel in your hair where it like wants to kind of like naturally like separate, then I would just take that. But you don't want to do any pulling or any tugging because then it's going to cause more frizz. So I like to just lightly take a clip and let me just show you. Take the clip and just kind of put it like this so they can be out the way. And then I start by taking hair oil, put some on my fingers, and I kind of just work it into my fingertips, so like this. And then I just kind of rub it on the section of hair just to kind of like massage it from being like wrapped tightly. And then I start to separate, but when I separate, I curl the curl back with it so it looks like that. And this one I could probably uncurl again. So just naturally massaging it out so that it doesn't give too much frizz. And then I curl it back. And if you're doing your curl the wrong way, the curl will look wonky. I don't know if it's gonna let me do it, but it don't look like it is. But you can tell if the curl is naturally going. So like, see like that one, it might look like it's not naturally going the right way, but it's going with the other curls. So then I take my fingers and then I just do it again and repeat. Try to take your time. Like, you really have to have patience with separating your perm rods curls because you don't want them to frizz up. And yeah, it usually takes me about 30 minutes to get through the whole thing. And like I said, like, I have another way to install the perm rods. I just gotta remember it, and then I'll probably do a video for that one so that the top part doesn't have to be so massaged out. Probably didn't have to separate. I just told you not to separate so many on the first day, and here I am. I think 'cause I was just talking. Let's see how these are. We're off to a good start. And then you go to the next one. And like I said, you don't need a lot of oil because you don't want your hair to be oily. I like to just have less products if I can, so that there's not a lot of buildup on my hair. So I don't know if you can see this, but you'll feel for like where your hair wants to naturally like pull apart. I just feel like this is like literally my signature look is the perm rods. And right now it looks like my hair is in all types of different shapes. All right, so that's my little bang, my little fake bang right here. All right, so we are all separated. I know I'm looking like Annie right now. I know. Don't come at me. But this is all separated. This is what it looks like in the back so far. I'm tripping over my box. Take the longer pick, and I'm just gonna go in and not do too much on day one hair. So this is what I'm doing in the back. You don't have to do it this much. I'm just doing it because this is like how I prefer it to look. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a perm rod tutorial with how I normally wear it, which is the middle part. But with this one, I was actually trying to get a fro. And I don't want like a hole at the top of my hair. Look how pretty they are though. Even if it ain't really how I really wanted it to go, this is pretty. I don't want it to look flat. But it looks really pretty. Like, just I don't even know if you can see this, but I'm about to try to do a makeup video. So make sure you check out my other makeup video. I'm a 34-year-old trying to learn some makeup. I got the hair down. Now we're trying to get the makeup and we're trying to get the style going. So yeah, make sure you tune into that. Okay, I don't know if I came on here to show you guys like the makeup with the hair. It is, I ate that up. I ate that up. This is so cute. This is so cute. And I can imagine it by day 3. I'm hoping that I can give it a little bit more of expansion. I don't want to keep messing with it because it's going to get frizzy. I did do a little video. It's a little chaotic because I was trying out new products. But check out that video too. But yeah, I'm going to come back later once I'm ready to go to bed and show you guys how I put it up. I'm going to miss having the two-tone hair. This is why I feel like it looks even cuter because it's two-tone right now. But yeah, I miss actually having full copper hair. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys before my phone died. Okay, so I'm back with my nighttime routine. Normally what I do with my perm rods, I gather them all up. I might leave the curls that are part of the bang down so they don't be looking weird up. And I'm just gathering all of the pieces of the hair, if you can see. And then I'm going to use my stretched out ponytail to put it up. And then, so looks like that. And it's okay if some of them don't actually sit in the ponytail. Like I said, I left these ones out. Hopefully they will be okay. Put them up in a loose ponytail on top. They normally call this the pineapple method. And then take a bonnet. And I can actually get some rest tonight because last night some perm rods were hurting. Put the bonnet on. And now I'm gonna go take off my makeup. So everything's up. Take everything off, take the makeup off, and that's it. So let me know what you guys think of the perm rod hairstyle. Another hairstyle you would like to see or you would need help on. See you next time.